What's up, people? We're back again. Welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is Clifford Mlauzi. I'm a funded trader and I've been funded with Fxify for the past 6 months. In this video, I would like to explain why Fxify is the best option when it comes to choosing the right prop firm. Guys, if you're looking for somebody's opinion to go ahead trading with this prop firm, then I would say go ahead, buy a prop firm right now with this prop firm, because this prop firm is nice, is great, is good. I can talk about this prop firm the whole day because I've been trading with them and I can witness that this prop firm is legit. They've been paying out people and their services are really, really good. If that was something that we're looking for, then just go ahead. Don't bother watching this video to the end because time is running out. So I have a discount code that you can actually use. Check the link in the description below. Click on that link, go on their Facebook, go on their website, sign up and buy a challenge. Don't forget to use the discount codes that are provided in the comment or in the description below. But if you'd like to get more reasons why I should sign up with this platform, then stick around and listen to me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So the best thing about Fxify, I'll just make it clear and I'll be fast. You can actually buy a 400,000 account, so it's something that I think buying a 400,000 account, it's something good, man. You can actually go as far as buying this one, and I recommend you, if you guys are capable of doing that, buy that one. So another thing is that they have first withdraw on demand, which they call it first payout on demand. You can literally get paid as soon as you make your first profit. And the next thing is that I've got unlimited days. You can literally take as long as you can take to pass your challenge. And the other thing is that the profit split can go as far as 90%, which is really, really good. You can actually check that one on checkout. There's EAs around. You can actually use low bots on anything. They are using a backed broker. The more especially they're using FXPIC, and FXPIC is a very good broker already, and everything is good. They have a bi-weekly payout available, which means you are paid after every 14 days, and they've got no consistent lose. There's nothing like, hey, put a stop loss or what. You can actually trade the way you want anyhow, and you still get paid. No stop loss is required. You can actually trade without a stop loss or whatever. You can hold trades over the weekend, and you can scale up all the way to $4,000. I haven't seen anybody scaling up, or maybe people haven't yet come to a public and say they have scaled up, but I've seen people scaling up. So performance protector, there's something that can actually protect your money. Like you can say, like in a day you want to lose 2% only. If the 2% is met, that means you're no longer able to press a trade until the next day, which is nice. There's instant credentials for phase 1 and phase 2. As soon as you buy right now, just use the link in the description below to buy a challenge, and you're going to get your credentials right away. And another thing is that 100% refund. So when they say 100% refund, is that when you pass the challenge, your money is refunded to you. You're given back your money. So that's what they mean. And Matrigo and Grid are out. I don't know if this is a strategy or whatever, but I don't know. And choose bi-weekly, choose between all-in and raw pricing. So this is all-in and all-in or raw pricing. So I think this is about spreads, So free trading competition, they have it. Industry leading dashboard. They really, really have a very, very nice dashboard. You can actually be checking who is doing good and who is doing bad. And you can actually trade stocks and everything, including crypto. Another thing is that the tailored accounts at checkout. So when you say tailored account at checkouts, you can actually check, like you'd be adding, say, maybe you want a protector, you can actually check, but that one will come with the price, right? And over 3,000 symbols to trade, which is really, really nice. Exclusive discounts for our traders. Guys, about this one is actually true, because right now Fxify is running crazy discounts. There's a link in my description below. I've also included the discounts down there. You can actually use them, and you'll be able to get that discount for sure. Over 15 plus payout options. So when they say this, it means you can actually be paid, you are able to be paid using a variety of ways, including you can actually have a direct bank transfer. You can actually use crypto, whatever method you can mention, it's there. And they're using MT4 and MT5. Those are some of the things that you can actually find in the Fxify. And most of the things down here are some of the things that have already been explained. You can actually go with the one phase whereby you only do one exam and get funded at the end. You can actually go with the two phase where you do two exams and then you get funded. And you can actually also go with the three phase, which is also nice. And you can actually also get funded. All of these are flexible. They're nice. You can actually choose any of these, depending on your liking. They have 100K, whereby you're supposed to make 10K as 10%. And all of them, that's the profit target for the first phase. And then profit target for the second phase is 5%. And the daily drawdown is also 5%. Max drawdown is 10%. And drawdown type is static, which means your drawdown remains the same. And your minimum trading days is 5 days, which is really, really good. And after that, you can actually scale up, or maybe your profit split up to 90%, depending on what you're going to do on checkout. And you can also leverage is 1 to 50 or 50 to 1, just like that. It's actually good, but it differs depending on what you're trading, right? So for example, on what the standard leverage on phase 2 assessment is 30 to 1. However, traders can increase their leverage at checkout to 50. So you can actually do that, right? So which is really, really nice. I think even the leverage has been changed, because it used to be 20, right now it's 30, which is nice. And you're actually paying this amount for 100K, and you're paying 75 for a 10K, paying this for a 15K, which is really, really nice, guys. Just take advantage of the discounts that are provided in the description below. So you can actually increase leverage. You can increase the performance split. You can also choose whether you want to be paid weekly or monthly. You can actually choose all that. And they have been featured in a number of places. This is the broker that they use, FXPig. And they have got very good low spreads, trading instruments, everything you can mention, it's actually there. Trading platforms. But look, guys, on leverage, guys, I've been trading with this platform, and I think in the platform space, you don't really need like a huge leverage to make money. You know, leverage is there, but then it doesn't really feel the difference, you know. And that the spreads are low. And some spreads are even as far as 0%. I've actually seen that. And I have said about the withdraw on demand. What other things? And yeah, they also have a very good account analytic dashboard where you can be seeing how you're performing. They have good competitions, where they have got a comprehensive trade journal. That one is true. They have got top performance leaderboard, exclusive trade discounts. Okay, I think I've already talked about these things, so I don't want to make this video long. And what I can say is that copy trading is coming soon. So, and also bringing prepaid cards where you can actually, instead of sending your money to the bank account, you can actually just request the card and be using your card every time you want to cash out, which is really, really nice. And you can actually also join their Discord. You can join their follow them on Facebook, on your Instagram, on anywhere else. You can do that. And you can also become an affiliate, which is really, really nice. So all I can say, guys, Perform is a very good. I mean, this Fxify is a very good broker. You can actually go with them. I recommend 100%. They're not scammers. They pay out. Their customer service is good, and everything is just on point. Don't forget to use the discounts that I've actually offered you down there, and don't forget to sign up using those links that I've provided. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and let's meet in the next video. Have a very good day. Thanks for watching.